Hey, how you doing? Want some water? Want some water? Some water? Water? Agua, por favor? Water? Oh, you want what? You want Daddy to ride him?
Yeah.
Alright, let me ride him. Hey, can I ride you? What you think about that? Remember, Cow Monday. Cow Monday. Like Itchy Monday something? We got Cow Monday. You got donkeys in the way too. Hey! 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 Hey!
Gary!
Ozarka does the body good. 0 calories, no fat.
Yes.
Get him, tough.
I'm doing an Ozarka
Commercial.
Should I get him some hay?
No. Yeah, you're teaching him to chase, aren't you?
No, I dare you to cross.
Oh.
Hey, I dare you to cross that line. I dare you, homeboy.
Hey, what are you looking at?
Dog, I dare you to cross this line. This one right here. You best just going down there somewhere. You know what I'm saying? I thought some old school gangster talk would do the job. I knew it would. You know what I'm saying? Alright. Alright, let me come up. Yeah. I'll draw a new line then. What about this line right there? Will this one do? Agua, por favor. Agua, por favor. Good. Now it comes 28 pack. 28 4 extra bottles. $3.98 at Walmart.
Did it cross the line?
Oh, you thought you crossed it. Well, what about this one? You ain't crossed this one yet? Remember when I was talking to OG gangster school stuff? Remember when I was talking that? You know what I'm saying? That's what I thought.
How do I get him hay?
Wait.
Nothing. What the hell? Bear, why are you humping my leg? Seriously, I got a dog humping my leg. You bored him.
Did I bore you? The ninja shit got you out of here. That's what you got you going, the ninja shit. That's what I thought. Don't come around my hood no more talking that junk. You know what I'm saying? We on the south side. South side. Or that side. Word.